Welcome everyone, I'd like to show you how to easily recover a deleted Snapchat account. So what this means is you log in back to the account and you essentially have all of your data restored. Now here's the deal, right? If you have deleted your account and it's been more than 30 days, it's gone for good, right? There is no trick by contacting Snapchat, there is no hack, because your account has been deleted from Snapchat servers, which means there is physically no way for them to get it back because it's gone, right? It's like deleting a YouTube video and then trying to get it back on the platform. You get the point I'm trying to say? It's not possible. However, if it's been less than 30 days, your account hasn't technically been deleted, it's been deactivated. And in this video, I'm going to show you how to easily reactivate your Snapchat account. So let me show you. You can see I did delete. My account was technically a deactivation. And that's just another video thumbnail, I guess. And so with that being said, let's get started to reactivate my account. So first of all, open up Snapchat. Make sure you sign out of any other, login. And we'll just tap on login. And we just really, all we need to do is sign in with our old username or password. So we'll just tap on login. And now you see right here, your account is currently deactivated. I'm going to use this for the thumbnail. And then you see you have 28 days left to reactivate your account before it's deleted. Do you want to reactivate your account? We'll just tap on yes. And then we'll just wait. You can see right here. Please wait a few minutes. I don't know which one to choose for the thumbnail. But you'll see, please wait a few counts for your account to be reactivated. Then try logging in again. If you verified your email address. Okay, so essentially, now the process to reactivate our Snapchat account and get all our data back has started. And so usually this doesn't take that long. So if I just reload Snapchat and then try again. And then log in. That literally took 10 seconds. It depends how much data is on your account. I have like literally no data. This is a fresh account. And yeah, that's really all there is to it to recover a deleted Snapchat account. Again, if you have already passed the 30 days, there's literally nothing you can do. I wish there was. You could try contacting Snapchat support. Just go to Google, search up Snapchat support and explain the situation. But because your account's removed from their servers, they can't magically, do so. You're just gonna have to create a new account, right, with the same username, and then just move on. So with that being said, hopefully this video helped you out. If it did, smash like. See you guys later. Bye bye.